Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, front heated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.